Kanyakla ma jochiw thieth mag jamni e pachoka osiro okang' mar sirikal ne jamni ma pachoka omi chanjo ma en lokruok e paro bang' kwethno e kinde mokalo. Ne oselando ni ok gisiro okang' mane piny owacho obirogo mar neno ni jamni ma pachoka ochanje. Sirikal oketo mahino e neno ni chenrono ota e kauntis duto ma Thurka kachop giko higa manyien.
We want to do 22 million cattle twice a year against FMD. So FMD is one of the diseases that has made it very hard for Kenya to access certain international markets. So this vaccination program comes or goes hand in hand with animal identification. So we have a cow that is vaccinated, for example, also has to be identified using what we call muzzle technology. The program ensures that the muzzle is scanned for that print, and then that animal is loaded into the system, and then once vaccinated, the e-subsidy program or the e-voucher system ensures that that voucher then can be redeemed to pay for that vaccine, can be redeemed to pay the veterinary practitioners who are involved. That way then we are minimizing any sense of fraud or misappropriation of money, because nobody is getting the money unless the animal is vaccinated.